Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Bro, are you already recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well, when did you get up? I'm putting that whole video on there.
I'm talking about in it. Wait.
No.
Now you have to cut it.
No?
Yeah?
No, I'm putting it on there.
Don't mention me.
You were what? Like, Mr. Man,
I'm talking about Silent coyotes. Silent coyotes. Say it to the camera. Say it to the camera. Mr. Campfire song. Mr. Campfire. Say hey. Say hey to the channel.
Don't subscribe.
Subscribe to Tremons and Baritones.
Don't subscribe.
Yes.
She's crazy.
No. Not crazy. They probably are seeing my double chin right now though. Oh, sorry.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes.
Good job.
What's my name? Oh, good job.
You're the only one I remember. No, I remember a few.
You remember Jack? But he's not here.
Yes.
Yeah, he's not here. He has a migraine.
You know what?
He has a migraine. Say hey to the channel.
The camera.
Yeah. On the trombones and baritones. He knows he already waved. Kurtz came. No, and also
Come here.
oh yeah. I'm sorry about it.
Just a little bit.
I wasn't even talking until I said that.
I know. I'm saying that to all of y'all. You were like the closest to it. Yours the closest.
Oh. I was like, all I said was I'm talking about in it. Look, say it to the camera. I'm talking about in it.
Bro, I know normally they have that little screen right there.
That was.
Oh, bro, that was not me.
Look. out. Boom, shakalaka.